All right. Hello, everyone. It's Monday, July 26th, and I received some decals from the JaxHax Creations site. So let's see what I've got first. All right. Hopefully I can get in here. All right. There's a warning. Good. Just carefully cut here. Cut here. And pause for a minute. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. So the first thing is the 350 scale decals for the Enterprise Refit. So that's good. Let's see what we've got. Then we have the decal placement guide, and it is geared for 2271, which is perfect. So let's see what I've got in here. So the first step is, it's almost like extended from HD Modelworks, but these look like engine tops and sides. Okay, for the nacelles. Excellent. All right. And then you have engine sides again. That's perfect. I think I could probably figure out where all those go. It says decal number 8. Oh yes, look at that. There are some that have numbers. 10, 7. Okay, good. Of course, those are the enhanced ones. I should have got the regular ones as well. Pulling this. Yes. There's certainly a lot here, but let's see. All right, here we go. We have the sides of the neck, the deflector housing, lower planetary sensor. Good. Very light blue. Might have to be painted the teal orange for the Enterprise, but they're certainly big enough that they can be repainted if necessary. The lightest teal for the Enterprise. I can do that. All right, secondary hull decals. So those are the sides of the secondary hull. That's the fan tail. Okay. I bet those guide numbers correspond to Polar Lights or HDA Modelworks, probably. All right, what's next? Turn these this way. Ah, well, these look familiar. The port and starboard nacelle pylons. That's good. Then you have the registry number for the Enterprise. Certainly have lots to pick from. I mean, many names. It can be the A, it can be just the 1701. That's good. All right, here's a decal sheet specifically for the Enterprise A, as you can see. That's probably why everything is light blue. Ah, here we go. Now we're getting into the motion picture decals. Strong backs, motion picture deflector housing, motion picture nacelle pylon wedges. Okay, good. Gotta put those in front. Upper saucer. Gosh, they're big. More for the upper saucer. Alternated, just like HD Modelworks would be. Because, of course, these are going to get the iridescent on them. And more for the upper saucer. There's at least 12. Then you have the lower saucer. Decals. Good. And lower saucer, again, three sheets for the bottom saucer. And certainly lots of room to paint. So everything that's blue, I can paint the iridescent blue. And then you have, it looks almost like 3 different shades of gray. So it'll probably be a 4-color iridescent I'll do on this. So that is that one, and I'll go unpackage the other one and be right back. Okay, I'm back again. The only place I could find 1000 scale NX01 Aztec Decals. There, now you can see a bit better. Okay, so that's the cover sheet. This is a placement guide with all the numbers. They're all color-coded too. That's good. And then the first cover sheet, and let's see what we've got here. So we've got the top saucer sections. We've got the pylons, the warp governor, cargo hatches. Actually, that's the bottom saucer. There's the top saucer. And probably the engineering hull. And an extra set, which is great because you never know, you might need an extra set. But that's good, about the only place you could find 1000 scale Aztec paneling is this JaxHax Creations site. So that's great. I wish the parts were numbered. I have to go online to find out. But let's see if I can figure this out for 1 minute. 31 in the center, everything around it, 29, 34. Okay, I see. It's just like the Gizmotron decals. The way everything's arranged on the page is the way it's arranged on the decal sheet. It even has stuff for the warp nacelles. That's step 14 and 15. So that's great. That's really great. So that's all good. Everything's there. And I'll be able to do the ship. That's good. So that's great to get those decals. Now I'm just waiting for the regular Excelsior decals I ordered. And then the orders from Federation Models. Anyway, that's all for now, and I will take a video this evening of my progress on the Excelsior. Talk to you all later. Bye-bye.